Hey guys, I'm Vikram. Today in this video, let's see the branding section. Like I have got queries from many of you guys. So, like the watermark, video watermark, through which you could click on it and subscribe. And I'll be showing for this. So let's start. First, open your YouTube studio like I have done, and then you have lots of options. Now click on customization. After you click on it, you'll be landed on this page layout. Over here, you could click on here and create trailer for people who visit you, and click on branding. So branding here you get like logo and banner. That banner means the when you open your channel over here, I'll just show you. Over here, can you see this is called banner? So over here I'll be like keeping my pictures. This is called banner, and then the watermark. This is our main point. Now what you have to do is click on, like, you'll be getting an option like add, and then choose your watermark, and then click on it, and then it will be added. Then you have to click end of the video, custom start time, and entire video. I will be clicking on entire video, and then things will be ready. Click on publish. That's all guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.